Hi students, we have seen the coordinate geometry. Okay, there were 6 problems for there in coordinate geometry, and calculus there were 10 problems, 9 I discussed it. Okay, so trigonometry is also have combined trigonometry with inverse trigonometry also. Trigonometry they asked one problem, inverse trigonometry they asked one problem. Okay, now so trigonometry and inverse trigonometry you will be able to do properly when you are thorough with each and every formula. If you are not thorough with each and every formula of first year what we study, it will be very difficult. Okay, then only you will save time rather than deriving the formula then and there. Okay, myself Vardhamani Shyam, okay, and teaching in Diksha College from last 12 years and teaching JEE Advanced from last 36 years. Let's start. Why we are making this, institutions make you that feel comfortable that JEE Advanced is not a tough examination. If you study properly, systematically, this examination is really easy and it is not tough as outside we see that JEE Advanced is a very tough examination. No, to make you feel comfortable and you can do it, you can solve it. That's the reason we are making this videos to make you more comfortable and happy. Yes, I can also get JEE Advanced some rank. Okay, if you do properly, of course, depend upon your hard work, your rank will be there. That is our main aim of our Diksha, to make you comfortable and happy. This was the question was asked. This comes in inverse trigonometric function. Okay, now tan is given, sine is given, 2 cos inverse. See, sine there is nothing is attached. Sine inverse 3 by 5. Okay, we can't do anything further. 2 cos inverse. For that, you recall the formulae what we studied in the first year. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, from that only we derived 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. 2x square minus 1, right? So, we substitute it. So, this is the one of the formula we used it. Okay. Next, so we reduce this one. So, 2 cos inverse 2 by root 5 is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5 minus 1. 4 by 5 because 2 cos inverse x into 2. 2 into x square means 4 by 5. So 8. So we get cos inverse. How much we get? 3 by 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5. Now outside tan is there. So we use the formula tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So while solving at home or anywhere, keep on writing the concepts. While revising, if you follow this method to writing the concepts and formula, what are used for the specific problem, and I'm telling you, it becomes very easy when any random question comes. Okay, because you are thorough with the concepts. So every problem, and this is especially useful 2 days before or 3 days before an examination. Now, this we got as cos inverse 3 by 5. So take a triangle. This is the easiest method. Sine means what? This is 3, this is 5, this is 4. For the cos, they are given 3 by 5. So this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So we got tan of tan inverse. Sine 3 by 5 is nothing but tan inverse 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 4 by 3. So the formula came from that only. Tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB. The same formula is applied here. So what happens then? This becomes tan inverse 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 by tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB. 1 plus 1. Outside tan is there. Simple calculation. This will give you 9. 9 minus 16 will give you minus 7. Minus 7 by 12. 12 and this is 2 is 8. 24. So finally you get minus 7 by 24. See? Is this a tough question? If you know the simple concept formula, you can easily do it. Okay, but you must know cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. There are though other methods might be. Okay, I'm not saying this is the only method, but this is the most easiest method. Convert 2 cos inverse x into cos inverse x form. Cos is converted into tan because outside tan is given to you. Okay, inside both are tan. So tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB. You get your required result. So this question can be done max to maximum 2 minutes. You can't 2 minutes this problem can be done. To explain, I took a lot of time because I have to write each and every formula, but normally it takes maximum 2 minutes. This is another problem given. Pi by 2 to pi, okay, means second quadrant. Okay, second, immediately identify second quadrant. Cot in the second quadrant is negative. In trigonometry, most of the questions, rearrangement plays an important role. So rearrangement is the most important. We rearrange in such a way, we can utilize what is given to us. And what we have to find it at value of it. So if you rearrange this one, you rearrange like this. This is cos 11x by 2 sin 6x minus sin 11 by 2x cos 6x. Done. This part and this part is arranged. Okay, this is one bracket. Plus, what is other bracket? Other bracket is nothing but cos 6x cos 11x by 2 plus sin 6x sin 11x by 2. We already know the formula. Cos A sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin A minus B. Clear? Similarly, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. Substitute it. First bracket will give you sin x by 2 plus second bracket will give you cos x by 2. Very simple. 11x by 2 minus 6x. Sorry, 6x minus 11x by 2 will give you x by 2. Similarly, sin x by 2. This is equal to k. This value you require. But they gave cot. So we have to bring the equation, whatever the given information, either you have to bring into cot or any one angle, because this is given in a half angle. We square both sides. We square both sides, what we get? K square is equal to 1 plus sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is 1. You already know. Okay. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 will become sin x. I'm not writing the formula because if you want, I can write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 is 1. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is sin x. Over now. K square is equal to 1 plus sin x. Now, sin in the second quadrant is positive. They given second quadrant. Cot is given. This is 5. This is root 11. Okay. So, this will give you 25. This is the 5 is given. Denominator means base and perpendicular is root 11. So, what will be the hypotenuse? This is 25. This will give you 25 plus 11. 25 plus 11 is 36, which is equal to 6. Okay. What is the sign then? Root 11 by 6. This will give you 1 plus root 11 by 6. So, this can be written as 6 by root 11 by 6. is equal to k square. Now, how to find k? This is the only tricky question in that. So, if we studied in the junior classes, okay, the surds. So, we have to find the square root of it. Before we have to find multiply by 2. K square is equal to 12 plus 2 root 11 by 12. See the beauty of the question. That is the case root 11 is given. So, this can be written as root 11 plus 1 whole square plus 3 root 2 whole square is equal to k square. This is the only trick in this problem. Remaining all every students will do, and students are stuck up here. So whenever means surd comes, a plus root b will come, you always try to make it as a perfect square. So not only in this problem, this logic is used everywhere. So a plus root p is given, so we multiply by 2 in such a way that becomes a perfect square. So what is the k value now? K value is equal to root 11 plus 1 by 3 root 2. So max to max, this problem can also be done as option B is correct. Root 11 plus 1 2 root 3. So both the problems can be done. The previous problem also 2 minutes. This can also be done 2 minutes. This rearrangement, first step was the rearrangement. Once we have done the rearrangement, we got 1 plus sin x. So cot x is the second quadrant. Sin will be positive in the second quadrant. We'll put the positive value. We got a surd. To make this surd as a perfect square, so we multiply by 2. It's like root a plus root b a whole square is what? A plus b plus 2 root ab. 2 is missing here. That is a trick. So that's why we multiply by 2, divide by 2. 12 plus 2 root 11. So we get our required answer. K is equal to root 11 plus 1 by 3 root 2. That's the required answer. So 2 trigonometry problems were asked. We have discussed. In that way, topic wise, I'll be telling you the remaining questions also. Simple logic ours is that a message that JEE Advanced is not at all a tough examination. If you prepare properly, make you comfortable. Yes, I can also write this examination. It is not at all a tough examination. If we study systematically and while preparing for JEE Advanced, if you study systematically means when you read the problem, whatever the formulas are used right on right hand side of your notebook, definitely you will be in a comfortable position. Thank you. We'll meet you again in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.